Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonderful world of gardening and explore the benefits of having plants in our homes and offices. Today we're going to talk about one of the most low-maintenance and beneficial plants you can have in your indoor space, the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is not only stunningly beautiful, but it's also a great air purifier, making it a perfect addition to any room. Benefits of snake plant. Snake plants are known to remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, which can cause a range of health problems from respiratory issues to cancer. By having a snake plant in your home or office, you can breathe easy knowing that you're purifying the air and creating a healthier environment for yourself and those around you. Plus, they're great for bedrooms and offices because they produce oxygen at night, which can help improve sleep quality and productivity. How to care for snake plant. One of the best things about snake plants is how easy they are to care for. They can thrive in low-light conditions, making them perfect for rooms with limited natural light. However, they'll do best in bright indirect light, so an east or west-facing window is ideal. When it comes to watering, snake plants are forgiving, but it's best to water them sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering is the most common cause of death in snake plants, so it's better to err on the side of caution. They can survive with neglect, making them perfect for busy people who tend to forget to water their plants. Air purifying benefits. Studies have shown that snake plants can remove up to 107 air pollutants from the air, including particulate matter and toxins. This makes them a great natural way to improve indoor air quality, which is especially important in today's world where air pollution is a growing concern. By having a snake plant in your home or office, you can reduce your exposure to pollutants and create a healthier environment for yourself and those around. Tips for maximum air purification. To get the most air purifying benefits from your snake plant, make sure to dust the leaves regularly to keep them clean and free of dust. This will help the plant absorb more oxygen and release more air-purifying compounds. You should also repot your snake plant every few years to keep the soil fresh and provide it with a larger pot if necessary. Additionally, having multiple plants can increase the air-purifying effects, so consider adding more snake plants or other air-purifying plants to your space. Common problems and solutions. Like any plant, snake plants can experience problems, but most of them are easy to solve. One common issue is yellowing leaves, which can be caused by overwatering or too much direct sunlight. To fix this, simply adjust your watering schedule or move the plant to a spot with more indirect light. Another issue is pests like spider mites or mealybugs, which can be treated with insect soap or neem oil. That's it for today's video on snake plants as indoor air purifiers. We hope you've learned something new about these amazing plants and are inspired to add one to your home or office. Remember, snake plants are not only beautiful, but they're also great for your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant care advice. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and we'll do our best to respond. Happy gardening!